Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 426 different strategies, with 135 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was actually achieved using a live trading account and the Academy of Forex indicator, trading the scalping strategy that I mentioned in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 325 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,052 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says, Scalp the market now momentum trading strategy. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. So what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the momentum bias index. And it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings of this. And under the inputs, change the momentum link to 9, the bias to 7, the smooth link to 9, and the standard deviation, make sure that's on 3, and the impulse boundary, make sure that is on 27. And everything else stays on the default settings. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the high and low optimized trend tracker. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And this one again will jump into the settings. All the inputs should remain the same. Just double check them that they're the same as these. And then jump into the styles, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the bar color right here. And this top selection right here, I'm going to make green. This bottom selection, I'm going to make sure that is red. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade, so we're looking for when price breaks out to the downside of the high-low channel right here. And as it breaks out to the downside, we're then going to look down to the momentum bias, and we want it to have a red bar above these dots right here. Dots are kind of hard to see, but you can see these faint small gray dots right here. And so you can see this bar is above that gray dot there. That's going to be our signal to then enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right up here at the other side of the channel. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. That's going to put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see within just a couple bars, make this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for, so we're looking for when price breaks out to the upside of the high-low channel, like it does right here. It's a small breakout, nothing huge. Get a nice wick here, but the candle itself is relatively small, but still it's a breakout. Then we're going to look down to the momentum bias. We want it to have a green bar, and we want that green bar to be above the dots right here. And you can see that it is there. That will be our signal to then enter into a long. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right down here below this little swing pivot area at the bottom of the channel. And that's going to put us at a 1 to 1.5 risk reward as far as our take profit, just like before. Right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And we just kind of bounce around there for a moment. then we make this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 46% win rate. The 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,800 for an overall gain of $3,000 altogether. So not too bad of a strategy. It's not wonderful, but also not horrible. But compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator during the same period of time. We did 31 trades altogether. We had 25 winning trades and 6 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $7,200 for an overall gain of $7,800. So definitely better results. If you would have used the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, you would have increased the win rate significantly, would have been closer to the $15,000, so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day, we closed out winning trade number 51. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. So that's 51 winning trades in a row, maintaining a 100% win rate over 3 months. It's using the Academy of Forex indicator, trading the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, as well as the position management strategy. It's a very powerful combination. In backtesting, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader that we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord to look at the money back guarantee right here. If you are interested in that, I guess I should say. And so that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.